Today, I'm going to do a short review on this Mahu microwave rice cooker. Yes, I said microwaved rice. What? All right, so let me tell you why I'm open to this. I just moved to a new place that has an electric stove. I used to make the most perfect rice on my gas stove. I can't cook the rice to save my life on this. My daughter has been bragging on making rice in the microwave. She's recommended a product very much like this on Amazon. She's done multiple videos showing people how well it comes out, and she's made believers out of hundreds, maybe multiple hundreds of you. So I decided I'm going to give this a try. So first I just want to show you what it comes with. It comes with this little paddle spoon that snaps in and sits right on the top, so I always know where my spoon is for my microwave bowl. It has this cover. It's a vented cover. Inside it has a little basket with holes. I don't know if you can see the holes or not. Maybe if I hold it this way, for draining. And then the basket itself. That's it. 4 pieces, doesn't take up a lot of room in the kitchen, stores away nicely. All right, I'm willing to give this a try. In a little while, I'm gonna show you how my rice comes out, how to do it, and then hopefully make a believer out of you too. All right, I review products, many products for Amazon, and this is one of them. So if you like my video, please order the product, share the link, share it with other people. We'd really appreciate your assistance in helping a small business like mine. We'll be back. So no longer do you need this to rinse your rice. You're going to be able to rinse your rice right here in the same little part of the container that it came with. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just set this right inside. We're going to put some chicken stock in. We use homemade chicken stock, but you can use any kind of chicken stock you want. So apparently there's some rule of thumb here. My daughter's here. She's going to tell us what it is. Go ahead.
It's a rule of finger.
Rule of finger. Go ahead.
So you just make sure that how much you water put in, so the tip of your finger goes to the rice, and as soon as it hits the first crease of your knuckle, that's how much water you need. No matter how much rice, no matter what pot or pan you use, as soon as it comes up to that first one, you're all set to go.
All right, so we're going to put the cover on and make sure that this part is facing where the groove is, right? And then you put the paddle right on your little spoon, right on top of the lid. Putting this in the microwave. And
After you follow the directions on how much to cook it for, if you're doing 2 whole cups, it's 15 minutes. The most important thing is that when the microwave is done, do not lift that lid or take it out of the microwave for a whole 10 minutes after.
all right, so we have cooked the rice and rested the rice for the appropriate amount of time. Let's take a look and see how this works. Look at this. Is that rice perfect or what? Wow, amazing. I would highly recommend this rice cooker for the microwave.
Dishwasher safe.
Dishwasher safe on Amazon.